I suppose, national kasi ang PDP, ang Hugpong, regional lang. So baka it's a prelude. Di ba sabi ni Inday Sara, tatakbo, baka tumakbo yung tatlo, o baka yun. There is probability that may happen. Well, people's clamor, in the same way that he responded to the people's clamor and demand for him to run in 2016. Hindi ba ayaw niya? Took me even 10 years to persuade, convince, to harass him. Di ba? Ayaw niya talaga eh. Talaga naman ayaw niya. The last moment, hindi siya nag-file eh. Si Presidente Duterte nagtanim ng maraming legacy. And ang feeling niya na wawala lahat ito. And people are clamoring for his return, so he will be forced to come out of retirement. Kasi pag sinabi mong oposisyon, lahat ng ginawa ng Marcos mali. Hindi naman sila ganoon eh. Pag tama, pareho ko rin. Pag tama ka, okay ka. Kahit na kaibigan kita, o kapartido kita, pag mali ka, talagang mali ka. They are citizens of this country, very concerned of the welfare of the people. If they feel that the governance is wrong relative to the security, safety, and growth and development of the people, lalabas yan. Marami na silang pinunla na nangihinayang sila kung ito'y masira. Pag nagdeklara kayong tatakbo kayong dalawa, magbabalikan lahat yung mga lumalaban sa inyo kasi alam nila overwhelmingly mananalo kayo. Masyadong maganda yung pinunla nyo eh. Talagang kahit na yung popularity rating nyo, talagang hindi na titinag eh. Kaya mananalo kayong dalawa.